everybody, Daddy Guru here to talk about sexual shamanism. And you know, all shamanism is built upon ceremony, ritual, and prayer to connect to spirit and earth archetypes via sacred practice and a sacred container. Sexual shamanism adds erotic energy to that foundation and bridges it to spirit. For a tantriko, that erotic energy is Shakti, the mother, the river of sexual creative force that flows through all things, birthing and nurturing life itself. Sexual shamanism invites us to resonate with Gaia and to experience a connection to every energetic expression of her, every rock, every tree, every living creature. So while Tantra allows us to see ourselves as a reflection of the universe, sexual shamanism allows us to see us as a reflection of the Giving Mother.